Hey YouTubers, around 22, 23 models or so, Honda quit including a Homelink button on the new Hondas and Acuras. And instead, at least on the CR-V and most of the models I'm familiar with, if you want a Homelink button inside your vehicle, your options are put your clicker that came with your garage door in the vehicle, which I think is a little tacky looking, and I don't like having to continually replace those batteries, or replace your rear view mirror with this unit. There's the part number there. I believe this fits all the new Hondas and Acuras, although depending on your model, you may also need an accessory installation kit. Please check your model. Now on this 2025 CR-V Sport Hybrid, all I need is the mirror itself. And so let me show you what you get in the box, and let me walk you through the installation. Now these retail at your Honda dealer for around $250, but they can be found online for about $170 or so. So let's see what's in the box. Okay, so once again, here's the part number for the Honda/Acura Homelink rearview mirror. You may or may not receive instructions with your unit depending on where you order it from, but they can be found on the internet, or hopefully you won't even need them if you're watching this video. So here's what you get inside the box. There are no instructions for installation, but you will find a usage manual that tells you how to program it. So here is the auto dimming mirror, and you'll see the buttons on the bottom for Homelink. The only tool you will need is a plastic panel removal tool, so that you can pop a piece of trim off without scratching the windshield or the trim. If you don't happen to have one of these, your fingernails may be strong enough to get it off, but these are available at any auto parts store. Harbor Freight has them. You can order them online. You really should go ahead and order a set of these. They really come in handy. So let's get to removing the old mirror and installing the new one. Okay, the first step is we need to remove this piece of trim right here. Okay, I've already removed the cover here, and I want to show you the clips and how best to remove it. You'll see there are two clips here that slide into grooves here. These two clips pull straight down and come from this area. So what you need to do is pry here to push this first clip here down until it releases. Go to the opposite side, push down until these two clips release. Then you can pivot it down and slide it forward to remove it. Okay, the next thing we need to do is disconnect this electrical connection between the old auto dimming mirror and the car. So this little blue connector here needs to be pushed upward, and we're going to push in the tab and push upward on that. And there we go, that's disconnected. I prefer to do that before I remove the mirror so I don't put any undue stress on the wires. Now, if we look at our new mirror, we can see there are 4 metal clips that hold it in place. And how we're going to remove the old mirror is by turning it counterclockwise, and it should release. So I'm going to grasp the base of the mirror and rotate counterclockwise. So to install the new mirror, we're going to do the reverse. Okay, so I've got the base of the mirror kind of facing towards me in the driver's seat, and I'm going to push up firmly while rotating the base of the mirror clockwise until it clicks into place. Ooh, and there we go, that's installed. Now we plug in our connector. Replace the cover. Remember, slide our clips in at the front. Clip in the rear. And that's it. All we have to do now is program it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is reset the mirror. We're going to press the first and third buttons and hold them in until that orange light turns green. Okay, so we've reset our newly installed mirror. Now we're going to have a remote handy, and we're going to press and release a button that we want to program. That's blinking. We're going to press and hold the button on our garage door until that blinks green. Now we're going to press and hold this for about 1 second. Okay, that should be programmed. Let's see if this works. There we go. Worked on the first try. I hope yours programs as easily as this one did. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if this was helpful.